Hello children. So today we are going to start a new chapter. Please open to page number 47 of your books. The name of the chapter is Opposites. So please take a pencil in your hand. We will be reading the chapter. Some words come in pairs and each word means the opposite of the other. So you know what is an opposite. I know all of you know what is an opposite. Opposite means any word which comes in pair and which the other word means the opposite of the other. That means the just total opposite. That means tall, one is tall and the opposite of tall is short, right? So here also we will be reading some pairs. Here see, there is the opposite of young is old, right? Similarly, there are pairs given. The pictures are given for us. We will be finding out what the opposite pair is. So please take a pencil in your hand. The first word of each pair is shown. That means the first word of each pair is given and we have to guess the second, that means the opposite word, and by looking at the picture, and also the clues are given. We come to the first one. First one is, this picture is given of day. So the opposite of day is night, right? So this is a day where sun is visible and the birds are all flying on the sky. And in the night sky, what do we see? We see the moon and we see all the stars. So see, this is night sky. So day opposite is night. So everyone please write over here. N and T is given. Fill up the blanks. N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay. Come to the second one. This person is thin. It's written over here, thin. So this person is thin and the opposite of thin is fat, right? This person is fat. So this is thin and the opposite of thin is fat. All of you need to write over here fat. See, it's given also F blank T. You have to fill in the blanks. F-A-T it is. Okay. Come to the third one. Third one here, it's a happy face, right? This person is smiling. He is laughing almost. It's a happy face. So this is happy. And the opposite of happy is sad. All of you can guess this face is sad, right? So this is a sad face. So happy opposite is sad. S blank D. All of you need to write A over here. Sad. Fine. Come to the fourth one. Fourth one, this boy is a young boy, right? This picture is of a young boy and this is an old man, right? This is an old man. So opposite of young is old. So young, it's written over here young, and the opposite of young is old. O blank D. So all of you need to write L over here, old. Okay. Come to the fifth one. Fifth one, here's a picture of fire. Can everyone see this? It's a picture of fire. Fire, what do we mean by fire? Fire is hot. When we any of you, if you have come across it, any of you if you have felt it, it's very hot, right? So it is hot. This is fire. And what is the opposite of fire? What is the opposite of hot? It is cold, right? Opposite of hot is cold. So this is a picture of, all of you can guess what this picture is. Yes, this is a picture of ice cream. So ice cream, you all know it's cold, right? So hot, opposite is cold. The blanks are given over here. C-O-L-D it is. Okay, right over here O-L. C-O-L-D. Please learn the spellings, everyone. Okay. Come to the sixth one. This is a big tree. Can everyone see? It's a big tree. So this is big. It's written over here. It's big. Come to the opposite word. See, this is a small plant. No, it's a small plant. It's planted on a pot. So this is the opposite of big is small. See, the blanks are also given. S blank 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 L. So all of you need to write small over here. Okay, M-A-L. So S-M-A-L-L is the correct spelling of small. So today we learned 6 opposites: day, night, thin, fat, happy, sad, young, old, hot, cold, and this is big, small. Okay, everyone? So all of you learn the opposites nicely. Try to learn all the spellings as well. If I ask small questions like what is the opposite of day, you will be easily able to answer this. Okay, learn all these 6 opposite pairs nicely. Okay, everyone, bye. Thank you.